Understanding tube fare in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English phrases for you. Today, we're going to explain a term that you might come across if you're traveling or learning about transportation in English-speaking countries: tube fare. Stay with us to find out what it means and how you can use it in a sentence. Let's break it down. The word tube refers to the underground rapid transit system, particularly in London, known as the London Underground. It's commonly called the tube because of the cylindrical shape of its tunnels. Now, the word fare refers to the fee paid by a passenger for the use of public transportation. So, when we combine these two words, tube fare specifically means the fee that passengers pay to travel on the tube. To understand better, let's look at some examples of how tube fare can be used in a sentence. Could you tell me how much the tube fare is from Heathrow to Piccadilly Circus? I need to top up my Oyster card to cover my tube fare for the week. The city is considering raising the tube fare due to the increased operational costs. In these sentences, tube fare is used to talk about the cost of a journey on the London Underground. For students of English, especially those who plan to travel, understanding terms like tube fare is important. It helps you navigate the transportation systems in English-speaking cities and can also come in handy when budgeting for your travels. Plus, knowing the right terminology can save you from confusion and ensure that you communicate effectively with locals. That's all for today's lesson on tube fare. We hope this video has clarified what this phrase means and how you can use it when you're in an English-speaking city with a tube system. Remember, learning such practical phrases can make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content soon.